The price of Shiba Inu's bone is going to explode. It's going to happen. Obviously, this video is not investment advice, and I'm here just to convey kind of the lay of the land to you, but that's what we're going to cover, and I'm going to give you the exact reason why here in just a minute. If you're interested, learn more about ClearCryptos, links down in the description below. Check them out. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on right now. The overall market is doing okay. And if we go look at Bone right here, you can see that as of the recording of this video, Bone is hovering at $1.35. Okay, in the last month or so, it has gotten. Well, let me do a 1 month here real quickly. It has gotten up to $1.54 right there. So that's been the last high in the last month. Okay. So why is Bone going to explode? Quite simply, Bone is the gas token, going to be the gas token associated with transactions that will run through Shibarium, which is Shiba Inu's layer 2 blockchain that is forthcoming. The testnet version of Shibarium is set to be launched approximately around February 15th. So a little bit over 2 weeks from now, give or take. We don't have an exact date, but that's the ballpark. That's the testnet version. They launched it in a testnet mode to test it, to make sure that the validators or everything is right, bugs, all that kind of stuff. And once it's past that, it goes into what they call a mainnet launch. If you didn't know this, now you do. Okay. But what you need to know is at the heart of it, Shibarium is going to be the heart of all future things inside of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And the ecosystem is massive. Millions and millions and millions of transactions per day, adding up to burns. There's going to be burns associated with each of those transactions. A small amount of Shiba Inu token will be burned for each of those transactions. But again, back to Bone, you will need to have an own Bone to facilitate these transactions, if you will. So you see where I'm going with that. By the way, it has a limited supply. Food for thought. That's all I got for you. Go make some money. If you want to learn more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them out. Run it through your own due diligence. See ya. Bye.